Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best frosting piping is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any baker looking to elevate their creations from simple to spectacular, allowing for intricate designs, elegant borders, and personalized messages that can transform a humble cake or cupcake into a true work of art, making it an indispensable item for both novice decorators and seasoned professionals alike. Number 5. MuYwa Reusable Piping Bag and Tip Set. Introducing the MuYwa Reusable Piping Bag and Tip Set, your all-in-one solution for beautiful baked creations. This kit provides everything you need for decorating cakes, cupcakes, and more. With stainless steel icing tips, a reusable silicone pastry bag, and a handy coupler, achieving professional-looking decorations is now affordable, fast, and simple. Designed for longevity, this set is easy to assemble, clean, and even dishwasher safe. The silicone bag supports multiple icing colors, and the coupler ensures mess-free tip changes. Made from high-quality TPU, it's lightweight, flexible, and non-stick for a comfortable grip. The non-slip exterior ensures easy handling and quick cleanup. Create a wide variety of flowers and patterns on cakes, cupcakes, pies, and cookies. It's a must-have for both seasoned bakers and beginners looking to add their personal style. Make decorating pastries a fun family activity. Feel free to use these icing tips with your children and create lasting memories in the kitchen. What we like. This set offers a reusable silicone pastry bag and multiple stainless steel tips for easy decorating. If you are looking for an affordable and simple way to start decorating, this is a great choice. It's perfect for families wanting to enjoy baking activities together. What people say. The piping bag is made of durable silicone, which is easy to clean and reuse. It comes with a variety of tips that allow for different decorating styles, from fine lines to rosettes. The non-slip grip ensures comfortable handling, even during extended decorating sessions. Number 4. RFAQK 74PC's Icing Piping Bags and Tip Set. Are you ready to decorate cakes like a professional? This comprehensive set includes everything a beginner needs to get started, featuring 48 numbered icing tips, helpful guides, and all the accessories for organized storage. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, these 48 premium icing tips offer a wide variety of styles. You can create diverse and beautiful designs, elevating your cake decorating skills to impress everyone. New to cake decorating? This set is perfect for you. With numbered tips and a pattern chart booklet, selecting the right tip for your desired decoration is incredibly simple, making your baking journey enjoyable. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This icing bags and tip set is an ideal present for any occasion, from birthdays and holidays to weddings and housewarmings. It's a gift that inspires creativity. We are committed to your satisfaction. Our high-quality products are backed by our dedication to ensuring you're happy. If anything isn't perfect, we'll resolve it within 24 hours. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes 48 numbered icing tips with a pattern guide, making it incredibly easy for beginners to select the right tip. If you want to elevate your cake decorating skills and create professional-looking masterpieces with clear instructions, this is the ideal set for you. What people say. The piping bag is made of durable silicone, which is easy to clean and reuse. It comes with a variety of stainless steel tips that allow for different decorating effects. The non-slip grip ensures comfortable handling during use. Number 3. PrepWorks Decorating Kit. Introducing the PrepWorks Decorating Kit, your all-in-one solution for stunning baked goods. It's designed to make decorating cakes, cupcakes, and cookies a breeze. This comprehensive set includes 2 silicone decorating bulbs and 6 stainless steel piping tips. You'll have everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Explore endless design possibilities with 6 specialized piping tips. From delicate leaves to intricate stars, create beautiful decorations for any event. The high-heat silicone bulbs are microwave-safe, perfect for easily melting or softening ingredients. This feature streamlines your decorating process. PrepWorks is dedicated to providing innovative kitchen tools that simplify your tasks. Our products blend quality, functionality, and convenience for your home. What we like. Featuring innovative microwave-safe silicone decorating bulbs, this set allows for easy melting of ingredients directly in the bulb. If you appreciate convenience and the ability to quickly prepare frosting while decorating, this compact and versatile kit is a perfect fit. What people say. The product is easy to use and clean. It comes with a variety of tips for different decorating effects. The frosting bag is durable and doesn't leak. Number 2. Prestee 12-inch anti-burst piping bags, set of 200. Crafted from durable, food-grade plastic, these 12-inch bags resist bursting. This ensures smooth icing application for all your pastries, cakes, and cookies. The exterior features a textured surface for a secure grip, enhancing your control during decorating. The smooth interior allows icing to flow effortlessly. Designed for use without tips, these bags simplify the decorating process. They are ideal for intricate designs and make cleanup a breeze. Use these bags for decorating your cakes. They accommodate a variety of frosting types and quantities, suitable for detailed work or covering larger surfaces. This set includes 200 disposable bags, providing ample supply for all your baking projects. They are perfect for both professional bakers and home enthusiasts. What we like. This is a bulk pack of 200 disposable, tipless piping bags designed for ultimate convenience and easy cleanup. If you are a frequent baker or need a large supply for multiple projects and prefer a simplified decorating process, these bags are an excellent option. What people say. The piping bag is made of durable silicone, which is easy to clean and reuse. It comes with a variety of piping tips, allowing for different decorating styles. The non-slip grip ensures comfortable handling during use. Number 1. Riccle 12-inch disposable piping bags. Tired of piping bags that leak or burst? Ours are made from durable, anti-burst, food-grade plastic. They are thick and strong enough to handle all your frosting needs without any mess. You can use these bags with or without any decorating tip. Simply cut the end to fit your coupler or tip, giving you the freedom to create any design you desire. Struggling to hold your piping bag? Our bags feature a smooth exterior for a firm, non-slip grip. The interior allows your frosting to flow freely for effortless decorating. Decorating is simple with these disposable bags. Just cut, fill, squeeze, and toss when you're finished. Say goodbye to the mess associated with reusable bags. These bags are ideal for a variety of desserts. Use them for cakes, cupcakes, cookies, buttercream frosting, and adding fine details to any sweet treat. What we like. These disposable piping bags are made from thick, anti-burst material, ensuring reliability even with heavy frosting. If you need durable bags that work seamlessly with or without tips and offer the ease of simply tossing them after use, these are a fantastic choice for various decorating needs. What people say. The piping bag is made of durable silicone, making it easy to clean and reuse. It comes with a variety of tips that allow for different decorating styles, from fine lines to rosettes. The non-slip grip ensures comfortable handling, even during extended decorating sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.